Alright, so this is a review video for the study guide for the quiz on Tuesday, tomorrow. Now, this is not the same exact questions that are on the study guide, so that nobody can just sit there like they did last time and copy down the answers. I want you to actually do it on your own. But it is same numbers, different numbers, same idea. So, we've got 4 times 3x plus 3 minus 2x. So which one of these is equal to it? Well, 4 times 3x is 12x. 4 times 3 is 12. And we just bring down the minus 2x. Well, 12x minus 2x is 10x. Bring down the plus 12. And so there's our answer. 10x plus 12. And so that's D. And so that's the process. That's all you do. Multiply what's outside by everything inside, and then combine any like terms. And then we take a look at question 2. Our width is, get back here, is x. Then our length is 2 plus 6 plus 8. Well, the question says which 2 equivalent expressions. So we got to pick 2 answers. Well, we find the area by doing length times width. So this is x times 2 plus 6 plus 8. Well, when we look, x times 2 plus 6 plus 8 is choice D. And then if we look, we've got x times 2 is 2x. X times 6 is 6x. X times 8 is 8x. So 2x plus 6x plus 8x is choice B. And so those are our 2 answers there. Now for question 3, these 2 expressions are equivalent. And so that means always equal. Well, only whole number values of y. Well, that's sometimes. Y is odd. That's sometimes. Y is even. That's sometimes. So it's B. Any value of y. It doesn't matter what y is, that will be true. Now, 4 is a part A, Part B question. Use the distributive property to create an equivalent expression. Well, distributive property is what we were doing here. We take what's outside and multiply it by what's inside. We took what was outside and multiplied it by what was inside. So we take what's outside and multiply it by what's inside. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20. And so there's our answer. And then it says x is 3, y is 4. So we plug that in. So we do 8 times 3 plus 20 times 4. Well, 8 times 3 is 24. 20 times 4 is 80. And 24 plus 80 is 104. And that's our answer. And that's everything that's on the quiz. And so now you should be able to do your study guide, and you should be ready for your quiz. Good luck. Take your time. Make sure you're ready.